Hey guys, it's Julian, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about rainy days because today it's been raining mostly all afternoon. There's a lot of things that you can't do when it's raining. So I'm going to tell you some few things that you can do while you're bored and waiting at home and doing nothing. Number one, you could go to sleep like I always love to do. Number dos. You can jam out to some music. You know what I mean?
And tonight, take me to the other side. Smile, smile, over them tonight.
Shut up! I'm trying to do homework. Thank you very much.
Okay, sorry.
Number three, you guys can eat all the food you want that you have in your pantry. But I suggest you don't because you might get fat. Nah, go ahead and get fat. Number four, you guys can do some homework from school.
Homework.
I didn't just say I didn't do my homework. What you guys could do is you can annoy your siblings, which is so much fun.
Julian, what are you? Hey, stop! Stop! What are you doing here? No one likes you, Julian. True.
Well, yeah, that does get a little fun. Well, guys, that's my video. I hope you like it. I hope you tune in next week and the week before. If you haven't seen my previous video, it will be in the link below, along with my Instagram and my Snapchat. And if you did not like this video, please give it a big thumbs up because we know you hate us so much. And give it a big thumbs up if you have siblings. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on a wedding ring.
Oh my god. Did I look like this all day? That's... Oh no. This is not gonna work out for me. Oh no.
Ow.
Rapido-doo-doo-cow poo-poo.